Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how I built this Italeri Porsche 911 Turbo model kit. From the box, it is evident that this kit is quite old. Upon closer inspection of the sprues, I can confidently say that the quality of this model is very poor. There are numerous molding errors and some parts are significantly deviated from the original design. Additionally, the body of the kit has some errors that are difficult to repair. As a result, I have decided to attempt building a body kit for it instead. To ensure that no molding lines were missed, I began by marking them with a black marker and then sanding them down until all the markings vanished. I then used a scribing tool to deepen all the panel lines to prevent them from being filled with paint. The next step was to build the body kit with milliput. After letting it dry, I sanded and painted it, and the results were acceptable. Moving on to the interior, the seats were in poor condition, so I sanded down the sharp edges to give them a more original Porsche look. Next, I used Tamiya putty to fill in any defects and milliput to repair the back of the seats. After that, I painted the interior bay with flat black and olive green from Tamiya. To give the floor a carpet-like appearance, I applied clear glue and sprinkled some flocking powder on top using a strainer. The dashboard had very poor details and I was not able to do too many things for it. I have painted it with olive green and titanium silver from Tamiya. I have applied the decal to the instrument panel and I have applied a few drops of UV epoxy resin on it to make it look more realistic. I have modified the wheels to make them fit the new body line. Unfortunately, they don't look very well and I am not happy with the result. Overall, after the final assembly, the model looks very good, except the wheels which are horrible and I will have to find a replacement at some point. The engine was very poor in detail, so I have decided that it makes no sense to show it and I have glued its cover with the body as making it to open was a mission impossible. The color is Nardo Gray from Creative Colors and the clear coat is a 2K from the same brand. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed my work and would like to see my latest builds and support me, please consider subscribing. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to use the comment section below. Thank you and see you soon.